Hello, friends! Welcome back to Webronaq. Today, we're going to look at a very simple C program that prints the first n natural numbers using a while loop. If you're just starting out with C programming, this is one of those classic beginner exercises that really helps you understand how loops work. So let me walk you through this code line by line. All right, look at the top. We have hashtag include stdio.h. This is called a header file. In simple words, it tells the computer, hey, we're going to use standard input and output functions, like printing something on the screen or taking input from the user. Without this line, functions like printf and scanf won't work. Next, we have int main. This is the main function, and it's where every C program starts running. Think of it as the starting point of our code. Now, inside the main function, look at line 4. We're declaring two variables, n and I. The variable n will store the number that the user enters, and I is our counter variable, which we've set to 1 because we want to start counting from 1. Now look at lines 6 and 7. The printf statement asks the user enter a number, and then scanf reads that number from the keyboard and stores it in our variable n. Pretty simple, right? Now comes the interesting part, the while loop on line 9. The condition here says keep running this loop as long as I is less than or equal to n. So if the user enters 5, this loop will run 5 times. Inside the loop, line 10 prints the current value of I, and line 11 increases I by 1 every time the loop runs. This is super important, because without I++, the loop would run forever. Finally, return 0 on line 14 just tells the computer that our program finished successfully. And that's it. A clean little program that prints numbers from 1 up to whatever value you enter. Now, let's move to the next screenshot and see this program actually run in action.
All right, and here's the output. When we run the program and enter 5, look what happens on the screen. The program prints 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, each on a new line. That's exactly what we wanted. See how the while loop did its job? It started from 1, printed the number, added 1 to the counter, and kept doing that until it reached 5. Once I became 6, the condition failed and the loop stopped. Simple and clean. So that's how you print the first n natural numbers in C using a while loop. It's a small program, but it teaches you a very important concept, how loops actually work behind the scenes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Webronaq for more beginner-friendly tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.